Welcome to Aurora DIY Investing, the powerful, intuitive, affordable tool for discovering the investments which are right for you. Updated twice weekly and including high quality analysis and ratings for 40 markets, 100 sectors, 6,000 stocks and more than 15,000 funds, Aurora lets you create watch lists of stocks, test the performance of different strategies and even analyse your portfolio, all for less than £10 a month. Aurora's tools make it simple to identify the key factors that matter, letting you save different combinations to help ensure consistency. Let's suppose you're looking for undervalued stocks in the UK that have a positive rating, according to Aurora's objective analysis. It's a simple matter to navigate the various factors available and refine the universe of stocks to identify those that fit your preference. Here you can see that 22 stocks are available. Let's take a closer look at BT. Aurora transparently combines a host of factors to generate an overall evaluation reflected in several metrics, including the Global Evaluation Score and the Interest Score, which both indicate that BT is an attractive investment at this time. We also generate a sensitivity score, which reflects the riskiness of the stock. Not only this though, all the factors we use to produce our ratings and evaluations are reflected in the screens we have for each stock, fund, industry or market, so you get all the detail you need to draw your own conclusions. You can also view and compare the performance of each factor over time using additional charts, as well as comparing the investments against various benchmarks and see comparable investments which might be worth considering as alternatives. DIY investment research has never been simpler, more accessible or more affordable. Sign up for a free trial and analyse your portfolio today.